Hello, I Dr. Vijay Chandra Jadala welcomes you to VC Tech Education. Today, I am going to discuss regarding control statements. As part of Python programming, we are going to discuss regarding control statements or loop control statements that are break, continue and pass. Loop control statements change execution from its normal sequence. When execution leaves a scope, all automatic objects that were created in that scope are destroyed. So, in looping structure, if you want to stop or if you want to change the normal sequence, then we have to use the control statements that are break statement, continue statement and pass statement. Break statement. The break statement terminates the loop and transfers execution to the statement immediately following the loop. That means in using break statement, we can interrupt the loop. A iteration is known as a round of execution of the particular block. So to interrupt the loop, to start a new iteration, that is one round of the execution of the block, or to simply end the loop, we use break. Here we taken an example program, that is print begin. It will display the begin, then I equal to 1 while true. If this one I equal to 1 is true, print welcome. Then I value is increased with 1. That means I will become 1 plus 1, it will become 2. If I equal to 5, break. That means in the next iteration, I value will increase until I value is equal to 5. These iterations can be processed. By using break, we are coming out of the program. Or else, if else, print if else and then print end. So this is the program which is shown as an example for the break statement. You can check as part of the practical session. Next comes to the continue. The continue statement is a control statement that causes the loop to skip the remainder of its body and immediately retest the condition prior to the reiterating. That means here it causes the current iteration to end. Whatever the iteration it is, it will causes to end and to jump to the beginning of the next. It basically means skip the rest of the loop body but don't end the loop. So you can skip it but you should not end. For example, while true, name equal to input, enter your name. If name is not equal to HEMA, continue. Password input, hello Hema, enter password. If password equal to Hema, break. Print access granted. Then again break. So here we use the continue statement. So here the continue statement causes the current iteration to end and jump to the beginning of the next. Next comes to the last loop control statement, that is pass. In Python programming, pass is a null statement. The difference between a comment and pass is Python is that the while interpreter ignores the comments entirely, pass is not ignore. So pass works as a comment also, but what is the difference between the comment and the pass cannot be ignored, whereas comments are ignored. However, nothing happens when pass is executed. It results into no operation, that is it will not have any operational things. So pass statement, the pass statement in Python is used when a statement is required syntactically. If a statement is required syntactically but you don't want any of the command or code to be executed, at that time this pass will be used. For the sake of syntactical operations, the pass statement is used, but it won't affect the code, or it won't, any code will not be, any part of the code will not be executed. Sequence, PASS, for val in sequence, pass. So we are just executing the pass so that there won't be any operation. So by this we completed the loop control statements, that is break statement, continue statement and pass statement. Hope you all understood well. In next session with another topic we are going to discuss. Thank you very much.